Property and Casualty Test Questions. Question 1. During a claims discussion, employer's liability coverage is found where in review item 74? Option A. Workers' compensation part 2. Option B. Homeowners coverage D. Option C. Inland marine floaters only. Option D. Personal auto comprehensive. The correct answer is option Part 2 of workers' compensation provides employers' liability coverage for certain employee injury suits. Homeowners coverage D is wrong because coverage D is homeowners' loss of use. Personal auto comprehensive is wrong because comprehensive is auto physical damage. Inland marine floaters only is wrong because inland marine covers movable property exposures. Question 2. While checking exclusions, a contractor is building a structure and needs coverage while construction is underway. Which coverage fits? Option A. Builder's risk. Option B. Medical payments to others only. Option C. Personal auto liability. Option D. HO for renters. The correct answer is option Builder's risk covers buildings or structures during construction subject to policy terms. Personal auto liability is wrong because personal auto liability is for vehicle liability. HO for renters is wrong because HO for is for tenants. Medical payments to others only is wrong because medical payments to others does not insure construction property. Question 3. During underwriting review, which policy page usually lists the insured, limits, premium, and covered property? Option A. Glossary only. Option B. Marketing brochure. Option C. Declarations page. Option D. Exclusions page only. The correct answer is option The declarations page summarizes key policy-specific information. Exclusions page only is wrong because exclusions list what is not covered rather than all key facts. Glossary only is wrong because a glossary defines terms. Marketing brochure is wrong because a brochure is not the policy contract. Question 4. In an insurance exam scenario, a policy covers direct physical loss unless the cause is excluded. What coverage approach is this in review item 100? Option A. Open perils. Option B. Named perils. Option C. Coinsurance. Option D. Warranty coverage only. The correct answer is option Open perils coverage starts broadly and then removes excluded causes. Named perils is wrong because named perils coverage requires the peril to be listed. Warranty coverage only is wrong because warranty coverage is a product concept. Coinsurance is wrong because coinsurance is an insurance to value condition. Question 5. While reviewing a policy, a business installs sprinklers to lower fire damage severity. Which risk management method is used? Option A. Concealment. Option B. Avoidance. Option C. Speculation. Option D. Reduction. The correct answer is option Sprinklers reduce the severity of a possible fire loss. Avoidance is wrong because avoidance would eliminate the activity or exposure. Speculation is wrong because speculation involves chance of gain. Concealment is wrong because concealment is withholding material facts. Question 6. While studying insurance basics, a tenant wants coverage for personal belongings and liability but does not own the building. Which form is designed for this? Option A. HO for renters policy. Option B. HO 6 condo policy only. Option C. DP1 dwelling fire only. Option D. HO 8 modified form only. The correct answer is option HO 4 is designed for renters' personal property and liability needs. HO 6 condo policy only is wrong because HO 6 is for condominium unit owners. HO 8 modified form only is wrong because HO 8 is a modified homeowners form often for older homes. DP1 dwelling fire only is wrong because DP1 is a dwelling property form. Question 7. During a claims discussion, an insurance policy aims to restore the insured to the financial position held before the loss. What principle is this in review item 58? Option A. Concealment. Option B. Speculation. Option C. Warranty only. Option D. Indemnity. The correct answer is option Indemnity means insurance should compensate for covered loss without creating profit. Speculation is wrong because speculation involves a chance of gain or loss. Warranty only is wrong because a warranty is a policy statement or promise. Concealment is wrong because concealment is withholding material information. Question 8. For a practice question, people with higher than average risk are more likely to seek insurance. What is this called? Option A. Deductible. Option B, adverse selection. Option C is subrogation. Option D, appraisal. The correct answer is option. Adverse selection occurs when higher-risk applicants seek or keep coverage more than lower-risk applicants. Subrogation is wrong because subrogation is recovery after payment. Appraisal is wrong because appraisal values a disputed loss. Deductible is wrong because deductible is the insured's loss share. Question 9. For a practice question, an insurance policy aims to restore the insured to the financial position held before the loss. What principle is this? Option A, indemnity. Option B, warranty only. Option C, speculation. Option D, concealment. The correct answer is option. Indemnity means insurance should compensate for covered loss without creating profit. Speculation is wrong because speculation involves a chance of gain or loss. Warranty only is wrong because a warranty is a policy statement or promise. Concealment is wrong because concealment is withholding material information. Question 10. On a revision question, which auto coverage pays for damage to the insured auto from hitting another car? Option A, uninsured motorist bodily injury only. Option B, bodily injury liability. Option C, comprehensive coverage. Option D, collision coverage. The correct answer is option. Collision covers upset or impact with another vehicle or object. Comprehensive coverage is wrong because comprehensive covers other than collision losses such as theft or hail. Bodily injury liability is wrong because bodily injury liability pays others for injury the insured causes. Uninsured motorist bodily injury only is wrong because uninsured motorist bodily injury covers injuries from an uninsured driver. Question 11. During a claims discussion, an insurance policy aims to restore the insured to the financial position held before the loss. What principle is this? Option A, concealment. Option B, indemnity. Option C, speculation. Option D, warranty only. The correct answer is option. Indemnity means insurance should compensate for covered loss without creating profit. Speculation is wrong because speculation involves a chance of gain or loss. Warranty only is wrong because a warranty is a policy statement or promise. Concealment is wrong because concealment is withholding material information. Question 12. During a licensing review, which auto coverage commonly applies to theft of the insured vehicle in review item 89? Option A, comprehensive coverage. Option B, collision coverage. Option C, a medical payments only. Option D, a property damage liability only. The correct answer is option. Comprehensive, often called other than collision, covers theft subject to policy terms. Collision coverage is wrong because collision requires collision or upset. Property damage liability only is wrong because property damage liability pays damage to others' property. Medical payments only is wrong because medical payments covers medical expenses. Question 13. A CGL policy coverage primarily covers what? Option A, bodily injury and property damage liability. Option B, damage to the insured's own building only. Option C, personal auto collision. Option D, employee work injuries only. The correct answer is option. Coverage A of the CGL addresses bodily injury and property damage liability. Employee work injuries only is wrong because employee work injuries are workers' compensation exposures. Damage to the insured's own building only is wrong because the insured's building damage is property insurance. Personal auto collision is wrong because personal auto collision is auto physical damage. Question 14. On a property and casualty item, a fidelity bond mainly protects against what? Option A, wear and tear. Option B, employee dishonesty. Option C, earthquake damage. Option D, auto collision. The correct answer is option. Fidelity bonds protect an organization from dishonest acts such as employee theft. Earthquake damage is wrong because earthquake damage is property catastrophe exposure. Auto collision is wrong because collision is auto physical damage. Wear and tear is wrong because wear and tear is commonly excluded. Question 15. While reviewing a policy, loose wiring in a building is what type of hazard? Option A, physical hazard. Option B, legal hazard only. Option C, a morale hazard. Option D, moral hazard. The correct answer is option. Loose wiring is a physical condition that increases the chance of loss. Moral hazard is wrong because moral hazard involves dishonesty. Morale hazard is wrong because morale hazard involves carelessness due to insurance. legal hazard only is wrong because legal hazard involves laws or litigation trends. Question 16. During a licensing review, a guest slips on the insured's icy steps and sues. Which homeowner's coverage may respond? Option A, coverage C, personal property. Option B, coverage F, only for the dwelling. Option C, coverage E, personal liability. Option D, coverage D, loss of use. The correct answer is option. Coverage E addresses claims for bodily injury or property damage for which the insured is legally liable. Coverage C, personal property, is wrong because coverage C covers contents. Coverage D, loss of use, is wrong because coverage D covers additional living expense or loss of use. Coverage F, only for the dwelling, is wrong because coverage F is medical payments and does not cover the dwelling. Question 17. On a revision question, money collected as premium by a producer should be treated how? Option A, as fiduciary funds handled according to law. Option B, as a gift from the insurer. Option C, as money that never needs records. Option D, as the producer's personal spending money. The correct answer is option. Premium funds are held in a fiduciary capacity and must be handled properly. As the producer's personal spending money is wrong because personal use can be conversion or theft. As a gift from the insurer is wrong because premiums are not gifts. As money that never needs records is wrong because records are required for accountability. Question 18. During underwriting review, a surety bond involves which three parties? Option A, tenant, landlord, and neighbor only. Option B, driver, mechanic, and witness. Option C, principal, obligee, and surety. Option D, insured, doctor, and patient. The correct answer is option. Surety bonds involve a principal who must perform, an obligee who requires the bond, and a surety that guarantees performance. Insured, doctor, and patient is wrong because insured doctor-patient is not a surety relationship. Tenant, landlord, and neighbor only is wrong because tenant, landlord, neighbor lacks the surety role. Driver, mechanic, and witness is wrong because driver, mechanic, witness is not the bond structure. Question 19. When explaining coverage, a claims-made liability policy has a retroactive date. What does it do? Option A, cancels the policy automatically every month. Option B, removes the need to report claims. Option C, limits coverage for incidents before that date. Option D, guarantees unlimited limits. The correct answer is option. A retroactive date bars coverage for events before that date even if reported later. Cancels the policy automatically every month is wrong because it is not automatic monthly cancellation. Removes the need to report claims is wrong because claims must still be reported under policy rules. Guarantees unlimited limits is wrong because limits are still finite. Question 20. While studying insurance basics, a business installs sprinklers to lower fire damage severity. Which risk management method is used? Option A, avoidance. Option B, concealment. Option C, speculation. Option D, reduction. The correct answer is option. Sprinklers reduce the severity of a possible fire loss. Avoidance is wrong because avoidance would eliminate the activity or exposure. Speculation is wrong because speculation involves chance of gain. Concealment is wrong because concealment is withholding material facts. Question 21. A completed product injures a customer after it leaves the business. Which CGL hazard is involved? Option A, personal auto PIP. Option B, products completed operations. Option C, a premises operations only. Option D, a workers' compensation. The correct answer is option. Products completed operations covers certain injury or damage arising from products or completed work. Premises operations only is wrong because premises operations concerns ongoing operations on premises. Workers' compensation is wrong because workers' compensation covers employee injuries. Personal auto PIP is wrong because PIP is auto no-fault medical coverage in some states. Question 22. When comparing policy terms, a covered fire makes an apartment unlivable and the insured pays for a hotel. What type of loss is the hotel cost? Option A, indirect loss. Option B, direct loss to building. Option C, moral hazard. Option D, pure risk only. The correct answer is option. Hotel expense is a consequential or indirect loss from the covered property damage. Direct loss to building is wrong because direct building loss is the damaged structure itself. Moral hazard is wrong because moral hazard involves intentional wrongdoing. Pure risk only is wrong because pure risk is a category of risk, not the expense type. Question 23. For a practice question, a loss directly caused by fire damages a wall. What type of loss is wall damage? Option A, moral hazard. Option B, direct loss. Option C, indirect loss. Option D, speculative loss. The correct answer is option. Physical damage to the wall from fire is a direct loss. Indirect loss is wrong because indirect loss is a resulting loss such as lost rental income. Speculative loss is wrong because speculative loss includes chance of gain. Moral hazard is wrong because moral hazard involves dishonesty. Question 24. While studying insurance basics, money collected as premium by a producer should be treated how? Option A. As a gift from the insurer. Option B. As fiduciary funds handled according to law. Option C. As the producer's personal spending money. Option D. As money that never needs records. The correct answer is option. Premium funds are held in a fiduciary capacity and must be handled properly. As the producer's personal spending money is wrong because personal use can be conversion or theft. As a gift from the insurer is wrong because premiums are not gifts. As money that never needs records is wrong because records are required for accountability. Question 25. For a practice question, a policyholder becomes careless because insurance will pay. What hazard is this? Option A, moral hazard. Option B, physical hazard. Option C, a morale hazard. Option D, named peril. The correct answer is option. Morale hazard is carelessness or indifference caused by having insurance. Moral hazard is wrong because moral hazard involves intentional dishonesty. Physical hazard is wrong because physical hazard is a tangible condition. Named peril is wrong because named peril is a listed cause of loss.